Our vocabulary word for the book Chicka Chicka Boom Boom is twisted. And twisted means to move out of place. So I want you at home to think of some different ways to use twisted. And each time you use it in a sentence, you get to color in one of these little dots at the top here. So, the girl's hair was twisted. I would do color in a dot, for example. The boy twisted the tie. The tree was twisted. The letter got twisted. So these are some examples. So I want you to think of some different things, some different ways you can use the word twisted in a sentence. And then after you've used it a few times, color in the dots. So, synonyms are words that are the same or things that are the same as twisted. So we're not going to write the words since we're just learning. We're going to just draw a picture. So twisted means that something's all moved out of place. That's an example of twisted. Antonym is something that's a non-example or something that's the opposite of twisted. So let's just say we're using this example of string, and these strings are not twisted together. They're all hanging separately. So for sentence, down here, we're not going to write a sentence. We're just going to draw a sentence. So in the story, the letters get twisted. So I'm going to make an A that's twisted and a B that's twisted. Okay, so you might even make a C that gets all twisted. He kind of looks like an S because he's twisted. That's what twisted is, moved out of your original shape. So go ahead and complete your worksheet and keep it inside your Reader's Workshop binder. The word we learned today was twisted.